Bugatti is more than a name, it is a living chronicle of automotive ambition that stretches from the dawn of motoring to a future where technology and artistry meet in breathtaking harmony. The story begins in 1909 when Ettore Bugatti founded the company in Molsheim, France, with a dream of creating cars that were not only mechanically brilliant but also works of rolling art. From the earliest sketches to the first engines, Bugatti's vision was clear: every model had to be a blend of engineering genius and sculptural beauty. Over the decades, this philosophy has remained unchanged even as the cars themselves have evolved from elegant grand tourers to the most advanced hypercars the world has ever seen. In the early years of the 1920s and 1930s, Bugatti established itself as a force in the racing world with the legendary Bugatti Type 35. This car was not just a machine, it was a revolution in motorsport. Lightweight and incredibly agile, the Type 35 claimed over 2,000 race victories, making it one of the most successful racing cars of all time. Its success was no accident. Ettore Bugatti was obsessed with perfection, designing every component to be both functional and beautiful. The Type 35 set the tone for everything that would follow, proving that speed and elegance could coexist. The Bugatti 35C, an even more powerful variant, carried the same DNA but pushed the limits further, offering drivers a finely balanced blend of power and handling that became the envy of the racing world. As the company moved into the late 1930s, Bugatti introduced the Bugatti 57, a car that would come to define automotive elegance. From the flowing curves of the Atlantic to the subtle sophistication of the Ventoux, the Type 57 was more than a car, it was a statement of artistic intent. It combined a smooth ride with a refined interior, making it a favorite among those who wanted a car that was as graceful on the boulevard as it was on the open road. The Bugatti 57 remains a symbol of pre-war luxury, a timeless piece of design that still inspires car enthusiasts and designers today. After the war years and a period of dormancy, Bugatti re-emerged with a new mission. The modern era began in earnest with the introduction of the Bugatti EB 110 in the early 1990s, a car that signaled the brand's return to the forefront of performance engineering. Featuring a quad-turbocharged V12 engine and cutting-edge all-wheel drive, the EB 110 was a technological masterpiece for its time, capable of speeds that challenged the best supercars of the era. It reminded the world that Bugatti was back and ready to redefine what a performance car could be. That redefinition reached a dramatic peak in 2005 with the arrival of the Bugatti Veyron. This car shattered every preconceived notion of speed and luxury. With a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine producing over 1,000 horsepower, the Veyron became the first production car to break the 250 mph barrier. It was not just fast, it was an engineering triumph, blending extreme power with a level of refinement unheard of in a car of its capabilities. The Veyron instantly became a cultural icon, a symbol of ultimate performance and excess, while remaining a comfortable and exquisitely finished grand tourer. Bugatti did not stop there. In 2016, the brand introduced the Bugatti Chiron, a car that built on the Veyron's legacy but elevated every aspect of performance and design. The Chiron's improved aerodynamics, more powerful 1,500 horsepower W16 engine, and advanced suspension systems allowed it to reach even greater speeds while maintaining impeccable stability and comfort. It was both a successor and a statement, a demonstration that Bugatti would continue to push the limits of what was mechanically and physically possible. Each detail of the Chiron, from its horseshoe grille to its C-shaped side profile, celebrated the brand's heritage while pointing firmly toward the future. Bugatti's modern lineup expanded beyond pure top speed to embrace specialized visions of performance. The Bugatti Divo took the Chiron's foundation and sharpened it for cornering precision, focusing on handling and agility rather than outright velocity. With its dramatic aerodynamic bodywork and exclusive production numbers, the Divo became a collector's dream and a track-ready companion for those who demanded more than straight-line performance. It proved that Bugatti could craft a car that danced through corners as elegantly as it stormed down a straight. Pushing the concept of exclusivity even further, Bugatti unveiled lavoiture noire, a one-off creation that celebrated the marque's 110th anniversary. Inspired by the legendary lost Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, lavoiture noire became the most expensive new car ever sold, a single masterpiece blending heritage and cutting-edge technology. Every curve of its carbon fiber body told a story of craftsmanship, while its immense W16 engine ensured that it was as capable on the road as it was breathtaking to behold. Some guides refer to it as the Bugatti lavoiture noire, but by any name it remains an unparalleled tribute to the art of automotive design. If lavoiture noire represented the pinnacle of luxury, the Bugatti bolide showed the company's willingness to embrace radical performance. A concept car stripped to the essentials of speed and handling, the bolide was designed as a track-focused machine that pushed the limits of the W16 engine to new extremes. With a power-to-weight ratio that defied belief and aerodynamics honed for the circuit, the bolide offered a glimpse of what a future Bugatti hypercar might be if freed from the constraints of road legality. It was not just a car but a statement of intent, proof that Bugatti continues to dream as boldly as ever. As Bugatti looks toward the future, rumors and concepts hint at electrification, hybrid systems, and new approaches to sustainable performance. The company has stated that it will never compromise on the artistry and emotional power that define its cars, but it is clear that the next chapter will embrace the technologies of tomorrow. Whether through advanced materials, electric drivetrains, or entirely new forms of propulsion, Bugatti is poised to continue leading the evolution of the hypercar into the mid-21st century. The timeline stretching toward 2037 and beyond promises cars that are not only faster but smarter, blending the visceral thrill of a W16 roar with the silent surge of electric power. Through every era, Bugatti has maintained a singular focus, creating cars that are more than transportation. Each model is a declaration that technology and beauty are not mutually exclusive but can exist in perfect harmony. From the roaring Type 35 to the record-breaking Veyron, from the sculptural Chiron to the radical bolide, Bugatti's history is a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence. It is a journey that began in a small French workshop over a century ago and continues today as the brand stands on the edge of a future filled with new possibilities. The essence of Bugatti remains unchanged, a commitment to crafting machines that stir the soul, challenge the limits of physics, and remind the world that the automobile can still be a work of art.